What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angele Altieri if this is your first time here, and welcome to the video. Today is very exciting because I'm announcing my very own makeup mystery boxes. You may have seen, if you follow me on Instagram and Facebook, that I am doing makeup mystery boxes. So yeah, I'm doing makeup mystery boxes and they are called Jelly's Treasure Boxes. So if you're interested in launch info, the kind of brands you get in the box, the pricing versus the value of the box, all of that stuff, then you know the deal, you know the drill, and you know the vibes. Let's get it. Okay, so like I said, the mystery makeup boxes are called Jelly's Treasure Boxes. The price of each makeup mystery box is $45. This $45 does not include shipping. You do have to pay for shipping, which is calculated during your checkout. We are only doing US shipping right now. The value of the boxes are over $100, so that means the value of the box is more than double what you pay for the box. I have done 4 brand reveals so far. We revealed there will be Kate Somerville in the box, Fenty Beauty, Cover FX, and Farsali. So on one of your boxes you will get one of those brands. Even though I did reveal the brands, I didn't reveal any specific products, just so it could still be a mystery and a surprise, which is how I would like it to be if I purchased a makeup mystery box. The brand reveals are just to let you know they are really good high-end brands that are going in the box. These are some of my favorite brands. Some products I really enjoy, some products I wish I could keep, but I decided to share with you all in a mystery makeup box. And actually right now I have my own website live. I will link it in the description down below. It's called jellyaltieri.com. The password page may or may not still be up, but it should be down by the end of the day. Right now there are only 2 blog posts open on the site, one introducing me, but if you follow me and you've been following me, you know who I am, you know my deal, you know my drill, you know my vibes. And there's also a blog about the boxes. Now if you go to the products page for the box, it will say sold out. That's just because the product is not live yet. This is just so people can look at the product description, terms and conditions, but on our end it says inventory is 0, just so people aren't able to buy before launch date. Now the launch date is Monday, August 31st at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And there is a limited supply of boxes. I have sold a few like friends and family boxes, early access. So if you're interested in a box, be sure to check out the site on Monday, 12 p.m. EST. Just for the nature of this release and where I am at business-wise right now, there are no exchanges, returns, or changes to your purchase order once it's been confirmed. And like I said earlier, there is only US shipping for right now. But yeah, I want to reiterate, the price of the box is $45, but the value of the box is $100 or more. And yeah, and you have to pay for shipping. So this is a sample of the box. Right now I just have plain boxes. You open it up and the first thing you'll see is a card in your box, and right here it'll have the number of your box, and here, ooh, something's poking out. We have a thank you note, and inside the box you will have a list of all the products that you received and their retail value. So how much you would pay for these products at Sephora, and at the bottom you have the total value of the box. So at the end of the card, right? Okay. At the end of the card is a note to share your box on social media. My Twitter, Instagram is jelly_Altieri. There are links below. My Facebook and of course my YouTube channel is Angele Jelly Altieri. So if you tag me and we start using the hashtag Jelly's treasure boxes, then you'll be featured in one of my videos. You'll be featured on my Instagram. So yeah, and right now all the boxes are being numbered, so you get to know what number box you got. I think that's kind of cute. Maybe if I start selling like way too many boxes, then I can't keep up with that. And all my cards are handwritten, by the way. I'm really excited for people to get these boxes. Some of my friends and family who are buying boxes are really excited to get them because we all love makeup, and I love little surprises. It's like a little gift. You don't know what you're getting, but you know it'll be good. You know what I mean? And I just want to say I didn't put any products in these boxes that I myself wouldn't be happy to get. You know, I feel like when I have Boxycharm, sometimes I get products that I really don't care about, but in these boxes there are products that I almost kept. Okay, that I almost kept for myself. That's how much I enjoy these products, or I'm interested in these products and these brands. I didn't want to just give things that I myself wouldn't care about. You know what I mean? So I hope you guys really enjoy these boxes. Again, Monday, August 31st, 12 p.m. Eastern time, so New York time, 9 a.m. LA, California time, Pacific Standard Time. I'm really excited for you guys to get your hands on these boxes and to let me know what you think. As always, I will have a section on my website, hopefully, I'm pretty sure I will, for customer reviews, so you can let me know what you thought of the boxes, the products inside. Was it worth the money? What brands would you like to see? Any changes you would like? Definitely leave some constructive advice, because it'll only help me to create and curate better boxes for future launches. Don't just say, oh, this sucked. You know, tell me why it sucked and how to make it better, so for next time. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm very excited to launch. I'm very excited for people to get their boxes and tell me how they feel about them and the experience of opening the boxes with the cards and all that. I really want this to be personalized and a fun experience for the customer. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button down below, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification if you're feeling froggy. I post every Thursday and Sunday. If you like me and you like this video, share it to a friend, one friend, all your friends, Instagram, Twitter, link all my social media down below. And definitely, if you have a friend who would be interested in a makeup mystery box, send them my website. Also on the website, almost forgot to say, there is a notify me bar where you put in your email to be notified of launch, any updates, things like that. So be sure to subscribe to our newsletter. I won't bombard you, I swear I won't bombard you. It'll only be helpful and relevant information for launches and these sites. So be sure to, you know, enter your email. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. My website does have an email for launch information, sales information. You can also email me there and I will be responding to those. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and hope to catch you in the next one.